was childhood wish to sing, just to escape the horror that was happening outside, you know, to not think of old people dying the second that we were there. And we all found the same love, and that's, even though we were very young, that was love towards God. So that helped us live our tough years during the war, during 4 years of war. Well, when you talk about us and the music, it's made quite an impact to our lives. For example, the young people in USA can grab their passports, ask their parents mostly for the money and go to travel all around the world. In Bosnia, you don't have that kind of situation. First of all, it's very hard to get a visa with our passports. So most of the people don't travel, and even though if we have visa, then you have the money problem, you know. And with our music, we were being all around the world. We don't have problems as an artist to get visa anywhere. So when you look at that point, you can see that that's pretty much changed our views on everything. A lot of things happened in Bosnia. There was a genocide inside of heart of Europe, you know, and a lot of similar things. But still now our scholars teach us not to hate people, not to judge people. It's really hard to explain what was the situation inside of surrounding Sarajevo. I don't know, CNN's Anderson Cooper maybe can tell you what was like, because he was there, you know. But to live it for 4 years, each day, you know, and for live it since you are 11 years old up to 15 years old, it's pretty much very hard. And when you have something that's so beautiful that even the bombs cannot destroy, you know, because they couldn't touch us, that's helped us to keep our sanity, and thanks to God we are now healthy young men, and what can we ask more from our life? Allah, Hak Allah.